What are you doing, Koy? While Daddy fixing the fridge, Ruby is disturbing refrigerator maintenance. Si Ruby, you also busy, Ruby. Daddy is fixing the fridge, is damaged. But see, one Ruby is busy also. Always climbing. This is the work of my husband. Fixing the fridge. Somebody already this. This is for the maintenance. Somebody customer, and then now he's the one fixing for this. This is inside. It's okay. This is for the other customer. Now here inside is small one door only. And now he's fixing. Brand is Song Sang Xiong. Oh, busy ang life. Now si Ruby also is busy. Ruby! Come, Ruby. Ruby is busy also. Fixing the fridge. Come, Ruby. The other one is busy roaming around there.